Hey, what are we going to do now? Our lives have changed. Do we even want to go back to that old way of living anymore? A crisis hits, we get furloughed, or worse, just let go. No more paycheck, no more medical, and possibly no retirement plan either. So what's the alternative? It's just life, right? It's how things are. Wrong. I have great news for you. There are alternatives out there. I have found a global community of digital entrepreneurs that are successful online and are willing to help others. We live in a digital economy now. Time for money jobs are quickly becoming a thing of the past. Automation, artificial intelligence are now taking over most jobs. It wasn't until I came across this online community that offered an education system that delivered all the tools and training that I needed to be successful online, including mentors that were willing to help complete beginners like myself make that transition to an online lifestyle. The thing that surprised me the most was how many people from all walks of lives are making this transition too, earning from just their laptops. I have used this exact training to automate my own online business where I can promote products and earn a commission from it. If this sounds interesting to you, I have a free video series I would love to send you. Just click on the screen somewhere here. You'll be taken to my website, pop in your name and email address, and I'll get you the video series. If you're open to learning new things, willing to do the work, I strongly recommend you to click the link and start living your new life now. As a corporate worker, I got shifted around a lot, especially when times were tough. The lack of stability got me looking for a better way. This video training has taught me to be self-sufficient so that I can take control of my income and create security. This is a year that's going to define many of us, a year that creates a new way of thinking and living. Are you ready to make a change? Create a more stable life? Take a look at these free videos and judge for yourself. Honestly, this has been one of the best decisions I've ever made. If you're skeptical, don't worry, you can always unsubscribe. But there's no harm in taking a look.